Marina, candidate number 1, is the question. Rizal once said, youth is the hope of motherland. Do you think the youth of the generation where you belong can be a great hope for the future of this country? Pakipaliwanag.
Salamat po. Kung batiin ng lahat, magandang gabi. Masasabi ko po, totoo yun. Masasabi ko na ang generation na where I belong ay masasabing kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan. Actually, every generation naman masasabi ng pag-asa ng bayan. Kasi every generation, yung mga malinang ibang mga dating generation, parang nangyayari nila sa isip nila, then gagawin